They've been weighing their options in Athens. The Greek government has finally offered some concessions to its creditors in a bid to secure an aid for reform deal. Exactly what they are isn't clear, but the Eurogroup chairman Jeroen Dijsselbloem said they were a positive step in the process.
The general opinion of the institution was that it is broad and comprehensive, but they really need to look at the specifics to see whether it adds up in fiscal terms, whether the reforms are comprehensive enough for the economic recovery to take off again.
His assessment came after a meeting of Eurozone finance ministers. It was being followed by a full leaders' meeting. Ahead of it, several officials warned not to expect too much. More days of discussions were needed, said EU Commissioner Pierre Moscovici.
This is a solid and finally a broad basis, but work still needs to be done. We are looking for an agreement, but the agreement is not there yet.
Bank withdrawals have continued in Greece, and the ECB has again raised the ceiling on emergency liquidity for Greek banks. But taxes and pensions remain the key sticking point, says Jeremy Batstone-Carr from Charles Stanley.
Some sources are suggesting that Greece is prepared to move on pensions. Other sources suggest that it is not, because of course this is a red line as far as Syriza is concerned and a key issue on which it was elected. So I still believe that pension reform is the pivot point, and there is therefore still quite a lot still to play for.
But market optimism reached the United States, the Nasdaq Composite hitting a new record high. It followed on from Europe, where shares were at their highest level in over a week.